Alright everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use this fun tool to twist wire. So instead of having just a simple surface of the wire, it twists it and wraps it so you get something a little more decorative. So this fun tool, this is an old-fashioned hand drill. So by turning this knob, it twists the part up top, and if you had a drill bit in here, you could drill it into something. In this case, you'll notice I don't have a drill bit, but I have a hook. So this tool just helps us with the twisting process. I have some wire that I'm interested in twisting. You've got to think about the length that you want ahead of time when you pick something like this. And then I also have just a vise. This is a really small vise. We have bigger ones. You need a way to hold your wire really, really tightly. So I'm going to take a piece of wire that's double the length that I want. This is because when I twist it, it's going to attach it together. Sometimes even a little longer than double what you want is really the way to go, because depending on how much you twist it, it can make it smaller, and I'll show you what I mean by that. So what I'm going to do is at the very ends, I'm going to cross the two and just kind of twist a couple times. I'm doing this just so the two pieces stay together. Okay, so it doesn't have to be pretty. This part is probably something that I would get rid of after. Now I'm going to go to my vise. I'm going to set those ends inside of the vise, making it pretty tight so they're strongly attached. And now I've got this big loop here in the back. So I'm going to take my hook attached to my hand drill, and I'm going to attach the hook right here. Okay, so now I'm holding it really tightly. It's tough to see here. I'm holding it really tightly back, and all I'm going to do, sometimes you can lose it, so you have to be careful at first. All I'm going to do is start to twist. And by twisting, it's starting to connect the two pieces together. So I'm still holding it pretty tightly. You might be able to tell a little bit in the video that it's starting to get some nice texture. I'll bring it a little closer so you can see. And it's up to you how tightly you want it bound. So the more I do, the tighter it will be. And yeah, so this one, I did a little bit. And now if you take a look, I have this really, really nice edge. It just makes for a nice decoration. I also have an automatic loop on the end, so if I wanted to use this, let's say it was going to be a bangle and I wanted to bend it, I can do so, and I have a loop that I could attach something to. Now, because I did this, it really work hardens the metal, so it's not as bendable as it was before. So it might be something where you do this design, and then if you need to, you could go and anneal your metal to make it better. So just a nice trick if you want to try and make your wire a little more exciting and have a little bit more of a decorative detail.